guys, time for another update.
First, what have you got to look forward to? We've got quite a few videos in progress. One of which is an experiment on acceleration, and that is actually a GCSE required practical. It's taken quite a while, but it should be out soon. And if you're interested in the electronics and Raspberry Pi Picos and coding, then we actually used a light gate as part of this experiment, and that uses a Raspberry Pi Pico. So we should be doing a video on the light gate as well. And there are many more upcoming videos that are in progress at the moment. You may have noticed we haven't uploaded a video in quite a while. There are a few reasons for that. First of all, we had a lot of end of year exams, so we're doing a lot of revision, and those exams lasted for about 3 weeks. Also, our brother got hit by a car whilst he was on the pavement walking to school, and it hit his arm and he fractured his elbow, which wasn't good. And then a few weeks later, after it had almost recovered, he did a triathlon and he came off the bike during the transition and broke his other arm, which was really bad. He had to go into hospital, stay overnight and have an operation.
I think he had to have wires in.
Yeah, he's got to have wires in, which I think are getting pulled out
soon.
Yeah, they're coming out soon, fingers crossed. But he's still got to have the cast on, and he can't do any of his activities or anything, so he's pretty sad. It's also been really nice weather, really sunny, so we've been trying to get out as much as possible. We've bought a paddleboard, so we've been going paddleboarding as a family, just doing that sort of stuff.
We've just been trying to get out as much as we can.
Yeah.
Yeah? No.
We also did a triathlon and duathlon with our triathlon club, which was great fun.
Alan, give him a shout. Give him a shout there, yeah? Come on, Emily.
Go on, Emily.
In the triathlon, I got kicked in the nose and fell off my bike.
Up you get!
Oh, it's the best thing to do, that. So it's slippery. Well done, guys. Let's go.
And she got a massive nosebleed from getting kicked in the nose in the water.
Well done, kid.
But he still finished and he still won, which was amazing. And he kept going. So we should be showing a few pictures of that right now.
You're doing amazing. Oh my god, Stephen.
Yes, well done, Lara.
It is on Monday.
And finally, really unluckily for our brother, he has to self-isolate. So in our country, if you come in contact with someone with COVID-19, then the school tells you that you have to self-isolate for 10 days.
That means you can't go outside or do anything.
Yes, so he's stuck in the room because he came in contact with someone with COVID-19, and now we've got a quarantine for 10 days, which is really unfortunate for him.
Hi guys, I'm in self-isolation right now and I'm filming on my iPad, so sorry if the quality is not good. Just to update you guys, I've got a broken arm and I am working on a spreadsheet video, so that should be coming out soon.
One good thing though is that we have broken up for the summer holidays, so that'll be fun. Thank you so much for all the amazing supportive comments you guys have been giving us, and if we haven't been uploading regularly, for still watching our videos, giving them likes and commenting. Before we go, we have been sent a few things to review, for example this Geek Pi Raspberry Pi Pico starter kit. We will get round to reviewing things, but of course we aren't actors, we're not some big company, we're just kids, so we've got to fit this in with our other family life and activities that we've got going on. On that note, we aren't some big company, so we can't afford to advertise and stuff, so we just rely on our videos being good and people coming back to watch more of them. So if you could tell people about our channel, maybe friends or family, or people who you think would be interested in this sort of stuff, then please do. Anyways, we really look forward to making more videos and uploading a little bit more regularly, and we hope you guys enjoy our upcoming videos. And thanks for sticking around.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.